Yeah, for those of you that are always sending me email that your phone is hanging, your phone is lagging, maybe you post one or two video, your phone has filled up, and some of you are telling me that you have deleted everything on your phone, but still when you post one or two things, your phone is hanging. And I also tell you to go and check your phone report to see if actually your phone is filled. And some of you will go and you see that your phone is filled just like this. So I want to teach you how you can clean the internal, how you can clean your internal thoroughly, how you can clean your phone very neat, so that your phone will not be hanging and your phone will not be lagging. Because some of you clean your phones but you clean it freeze. So on this video I'm going to teach you on how to clean your phone, the internal of your phone. So that is what I want to teach you. So please, after watching this video, the only good thing you do for me is to also share it, so that those people that maybe they post one or two video, they cannot be able to post again, or maybe they are watching through film, before you look their phone is full. So send it to them so that they will know how to clean their video thoroughly, because most of us we use phone year to year, we don't even care to clean our phones. There are some data that have been there for years, since the day when we bought the phone. Data that are not necessary, they are stuck there on our phones. So if you don't clean it, your phone will be hanging. There are some of us, we have grandpapa data that we have even deleted, but it's still there on our phone. So on this particular video, I'm going to show you where and how you can delete every unwanted data that has been stored on your phone that can make your phone to hang. More especially those of you that are using Android phone, like Techno Android, Itel Android. I'm going to teach you. So watch this video to the end so that you can be able to clean your phone thoroughly. Then for those of you that want to clean your app, because there is a difference between you cleaning app, like for those of you that want to clean your TikTok app, I've dropped a video for you how you can clean your TikTok app thoroughly, how you can clean the cache so that your TikTok will not be lagging, will not also be hanging, so that whenever you are posting video on TikTok, your video will come up on a top notch. So I have dropped a video on this particular platform. So check on the videos and pick up the video on how you can also clean your TikTok account, your YouTube account, all your accounts on social media clear. I have dropped it on this particular platform, so you can go there and check. So stay tuned with us as I teach you on how you can clean the internal of your phone thoroughly, so that your phone will not be hanging. Yeah, let's go. So this is how you do it. So click on your Google file. When you click on your Google file, you click on the three buttons on the top. When you click on the three buttons on the top, you now see clean. You clean on the clean. When you clean on this clean, you see internal, you see trash. So all you have to do, click on this internal. So when you click on the internal, you see all the categories. You see your app, you see your video, you see your image, you see your audio, you see your documents, you see your trash. So now we want to clean. You can see now, I have already cleaned my documents. My document is empty. So this is where the main thing is, this document. There are a lot of us today, we don't clean this document. You leave your document, and this document can document data from 20 years ago, if I'm not exaggerating. Some of us, since the day we bought our phone, we have not even cleaned any of those data. Some of us, we have screenshot, and there is a data that has documented that we have screenshot. Some of all the things we have done, they are all there. So you go, you clean it. When you clean your document and some other things that has been stuck on this particular place, your phone will at least be free. So most of us, we don't clean it. You can also come here and clean app. You can clean app. There are some unused app that you are using. There are some apps that are there, but you are not using it. You can easily come, clean your system, clean all the things that you know that you don't want. You can clean it out of this place. This is the main place you come to clean. You can see that my phone is not lagging. At least I have enough space here on my phone, on this particular phone. So this is how you clean. You can see document 0 trash, no trash, because I've cleaned everything before I started using the phone. So this is how, even if you want to clean image, you can easily click on your image and clean off any image you know you don't want. You clean it out of your phone. So this is the right place for you to clean your phone. After cleaning it, you find out that your phone, your internal storage will be fit to stage anything that is coming on this way. So if this information is helpful to you, please do me a favor to share this video. Share it to your friends, loved ones, so that they too will know how to clean their phone, so that their phone will not be hanging or lagging. So if this is your first time, this is Petinka Tip. This is where I teach people on how to do what to do concerning their phones and their platform on social media. So if this information is helpful to you, please do me a favor, share it to others and subscribe to our channel, so that next time when we are sharing good and wonderful, unique information like this, you will be first, number one, to grab it. God bless you as you join us. Love you all.